If you've clicked on this video to find out how I make £10,000 a month, then congratulations, because you have found probably the only YouTuber telling you this information completely free of charge. There isn't a special key I can magically give to you to start the business yourself, and there isn't a blueprint like an online course that I'm even going to attempt to sell you like every other content creator and their dog. What I can tell you is I work extremely hard. I don't go out drinking, I don't go out partying. I just live a very simple, boring life, but I make £10,000 a month through a business that I've made over the last 12 to 24 months. Now that business is something that I talk about a lot on this channel, and it's to do with content creation using this bad boy, a camera. Now you're probably thinking, how do I make money with a camera? It's not with one-off shoots, it's not with individual clients. I've created a marketing agency based around my skill set on Facebook ads, my skill set on a camera, my skill set in creating websites, and added that with my personality, and I honestly feel like it's changed the way I live. It's changed the way my life is. I mean, I was just this normal 20-year-old kid a couple of years ago going around filming promotional videos for everyone. Never in a million years did I think that I was going to be making over £100,000 a year running 22 different social media accounts. I would have called you absolutely crazy and probably put you in a mental asylum. But here we are today, running 22 social media accounts, making £10,000 a month. And I feel like it's so important to be open and honest with you guys and tell you the truth, because I said this in the video 2 videos ago, but if you have an iPhone, you can do the exact same thing, just not as high quality. The way my business model is I take photos, I take videos across one shoot day a month. I get home, edit all the content, and run my client's social media account. And in return, they give me a fixed monthly retainer. So when I was 18, I bought my first ever camera, and at that time I was working a 9-to-5 lifeguarding job, making £400 a week. And I filmed a promotional video that took me 2 hours, filmed and edited in 2 hours, plus traveling, let's say 3 hours. And the client paid me £400. The same amount of money that I would sit on a lifeguard chair Monday to Friday for 40 hours. And that's when the penny dropped. That's when the light bulb came on, and I started filming promotional videos, and that's how I started until 2 years ago. I got into the marketing agency niche for restaurants, where I was able to charge monthly instead of one-off shoots, because I take their videos, I take their photos, and I manage their social media accounts. Now I offer a bit more like website creation, graphic design, and paid Facebook advertisements to get them more bookings. But you don't have to do that. You can just run their social media account. It doesn't have to be for restaurants either. It can be, like I said, nail salons, barbershops, beauty salons, aesthetic companies, anything or any business, like coffee shops, who don't have time to run their social media account. You can go and run their account for them. But that is a story of how I make £10,000 a month. But please do not be blindsided. Out of that £10,000, I have my tax to pay. I have my expenses. My laptop's on finance. I have my electricity to pay, my fuel, my car, my mileage, all my equipment. I'm not left with £10,000 a month. I bloody wish I was, but I'm not. So that's a lot of things that course sellers don't tell you either. Oh, I made £100,000 a month. Yeah, that's turnover. What's your actual profit? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm just trying to be as real and as authentic as possible without trying to sell you an online course or trying to clickbait or anything like that. I'm just trying to be as honest and real as possible to give you that little nudge of getting out your 9-to-5 job, picking up a phone, and starting your own business.